let's make an herbal tea for respiratory infection, cold, and cough relief. All right, so obviously you're going to start off with a pot, and then you're going to add water. Excuse me, I don't have my ring stand. It's in the car, and my husband took it today. I like to use alkaline water, so Essentia is our agua of choice. I'm making this for 2 out of 4 of my children who have had a cough for a while. All right. Oops. And I can't put the top back on it, so we're going to leave that there. I have some thyme. I am not one to wait for things to boil, so I'm going to go ahead and add my herbs. So I'm going to add a bit of thyme. That's already been pretty much ground. I'm also going to add some chamomile. That's been destemmed and floured. And now I'm going to add mullein leaf. If you're looking for measurements, I don't really do that, but because I've been making herbal teas for years at this point. But if you want a guide to do it yourself, I would do a tablespoon of each herb, because you're going to allow this to steep, and we're not drinking the tea all at once. So I'm going to give it about 15 to 20 minutes. Really not even 20 minutes. So about 10 to 15 minutes for everything to start boiling. And once it gets to the boiling point, I'm going to turn the eye on the stove down. That way it can steep on low, which would be like 1, or literally low if your stove says that. And then once it steeps for about 5 minutes, I'm going to cut the eye completely off, and we will have our tea. All right, so I put a top on it, and it immediately started, probably because I put the eye on medium, it immediately started boiling once I put the top on. So I've already turned the eye down. As you can see, it's on 1. I can even, go to low, which is fine. And like I said, I'm going to let this steep for about 5 minutes. I like to keep the top on because it doesn't allow for the condensation to just evaporate. You see all of the liquid that is collecting on the top will go back into the tea, so you're keeping all of your health benefits. All right, you guys, so it's been 5 minutes. Here is the big reveal. So your tea is good. Ooh, sorry. I guess I can't really say it like that with all that smoke. But when it's dark, okay, when it's the skin of the best human beings on the planet, when it's full of that brown, like it's melanated, then you know the tea is good. Can you see that? Excuse me if my video starts to chop up. Cheap ass phone, y'all. But we're gonna work it out. Alright, so I'm big on recycling, so this is just a jar that I've cleaned out, and I'm going to strain the tea. You can drink it as is, or you can add honey, agave, or stevia if you want to make it sweeter. I add honey for my children because they don't like agave or stevia. And yes, let's look at that. Wow. There you go. We saving lives 1 cup at a time. Stay blessed, try not to stress, and enjoy your journey.